Hello, my name's David Wortley. I'm the CEO and founder of 360 in 360 Immersive Experiences. I'd like to take a couple of minutes of your time to tell you about our new initiative, workshops on virtual reality for business and pleasure. What's prompted the timing of these workshops is the announcement of this new device, the Oculus GO headset, which I'll just put on now. With its associated controller. The Oculus GO, we believe, is going to be a real game changer and will create many opportunities to use standard 360-degree video cameras in combination with devices like the Oculus GO and social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube for both business and pleasure. And today I want to tell you about the workshops that we're planning for business applications primarily, give you some examples of the types of applications that you can use the Oculus GO for in combination with virtual reality. Primarily, the major applications will be in training and education and also in marketing and promotion. But there are many different sectors that can make use of these technologies for competitive advantage. And I'd just like to share a few examples with still images and spatial audio sound to give you a taste of the things that you can do. This video is mainly a sequence of 360-degree still images which I've taken over the last 18 months or so for each of the application areas that I'm going to talk about. These application areas are covered on my website, which is 360in360ix.co.uk. That's www.360in360ix.co.uk. So if you go to my home page, there are menu items, a banner on the top, which give you access to individual applications. But I just want to run through the individual items on the main menu and give you a few thoughts on how they could be used. At the top of the list, we've got camping and caravanning. Now, camping and caravanning is a great social activity, and the use of 360-degree cameras and images can be used not only to record the holidays that you have, but also for organisations like the Camping and Caravanning Club to promote their sites. You can do virtual tours of the sites, you can give people a taste of what each individual site will look like. And the same is true of canals and rivers. The UK is blessed with a fantastic canal network. Many people enjoy canal holidays, cruising along canals and rivers, and virtual reality and 360-degree technologies allow you to capture those experiences and give people a taste of what it looks like. The same is true of our wonderful churches and cathedrals. Over the last 18 months, I've taken many pictures and videos of various churches and cathedrals that you can explore for yourself, or if you want to attract people to these churches and cathedrals, you can promote them through your website. Cruises are probably an obvious example. For people who go on cruises, the two main applications would be recording their cruise holiday, being able to watch it back in virtual reality after the event, but also for cruise companies themselves to be able to show their passengers what the various locations look like before the ship docks in port. This gives people a better idea of what to look for when they go for individual day tours. We also specialise in drones, drone photography. Drones in combination with 360-degree video and photographs can take some great pictures and videos of our aerial landscapes. Education is a major application area. You can give students experience of things that they either would not be able to normally experience themselves physically, or you can prepare them for experiencing them virtually. And in a classroom situation, you can synchronise virtual headsets like the Oculus GO so that the whole class shares the same experience. And in combination with things like gamification and quizzes, you can make education a really immersive experience. Events. I've been to many events over the last 18 months, and many of these are published on my 360 in 360 events webpage. It's a great way of helping people to experience an event before they go there, and as a way of marketing and promoting different kinds of events. Exhibitions and conferences, you can create virtual tours of the exhibitions and conferences that you run and give people a taster of those exhibitions and conferences when you're trying to sell tickets or exhibition space. Experiences, the example I use on my website is a picture of a Spitfire, which is a heritage item which is taken to various events around the countryside, and people can get the experience of sitting inside a Spitfire cockpit. If you can't get to those events or you can't go to the museum up near Blackpool, then having a virtual experience is another way of sharing it. Holiday homes, share your memories, record your memories, and if you are an owner of holiday homes, you can give people a taste of what the holiday home experience is like. Stately homes and gardens, the example that I'm showing here is of Ragley Hall. Ragley Hall this year had hosted the game fair, which is run every year at different stately homes. But whatever stately home you have, if you want to promote it to the public, you can give people an experience and a taste on your website as a virtual experience. Hotels are a fantastic example. We're all familiar with Booking.com and Expedia and other social media websites which allow you to look at the hotel or the venue that you're going to. Being able to experience it in 360 degrees adds a further dimension. So, in conclusion, I hope I've given you a taste of some of the things that you can do with virtual reality, with standard 360 degree consumer cameras and consumer virtual reality headsets like the Oculus GO, which in my opinion, with its control, is a real game changer. It's not only suitable as a solo device so that you as an individual can recall your memories or have experiences that are available via the Oculus store, but you can also, if you're in education or marketing and promotion, you can synchronize the devices like this to larger audiences with each person wearing one of these Oculus GO headsets and sharing the same virtual reality experience. So I hope that's given you an idea of the kinds of things that you can do with consumer 360 degree cameras and consumer virtual reality headsets like the Oculus GO. If you'd like to discuss your individual requirements, please get in touch with me by my email david@360in360ix.co.uk, and the email and the website address will be posted on the final page of this video. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope we can do business together. Thank you.